Hello everyone. Today I am here with a new topic, that is concentration terms. Concentration terms is the terms to express the concentration of a solution, and these are as many types such as weight by weight percent, weight by volume percent, volume by volume percent, parts per million, that is called ppm, parts per billion, that is called ppb, mole fraction, molality and normality. These are the concentration terms by which we can express the concentration of any solution. In this video we will study about weight by weight percent, weight by volume percent and volume by volume percent. Solution, before coming this topic, firstly we should know that what is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture which is made up of two components, that is solute and solvent. Solute which is less in amount and solvent which is more in amount in solution. और in हिंदी we can say that solute वो होता है जिसको solution में घोला जाता है, सॉल्वेंट वो होता है जिसमें सॉल्यूट को घोला जाता है. और वी कैन से दैट सॉल्यूट इज द सब्सटेंस विच इज प्रेजेंट इन लेस अमाउंट इन सॉल्यूशन एंड सॉल्वेंट इज द सब्सटेंस विच इज प्रेजेंट इन मोर अमाउंट इन सॉल्यूशन. सो फर्स्टली वी शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज, हाउ कैन वी डिटरमाइन दैट व्हाट इज सॉल्यूट एंड व्हाट इज सॉल्वेंट इन एनी सॉल्यूशन. वी हैव ए क्वेश्चन दैट इफ वी हैव 73 gram of HCl and 54 gram of water. Identify which is solute and which is solvent. So from here we cannot determine that it is solute or it is solute or that is solvent or that is solvent. From here we cannot determine. Firstly we should find out the moles of water and HCl, then we can determine that what is solute and what is solvent. So number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. For HCl we can find out the given mass is 73 and the molar mass of HCl, mass of chlorine is 35.5 and mass of hydrogen is 1, so finally 36.5 molar mass of 1 mole of HCl. So when we calculate, then we get 2 moles of HCl. And in case of water, number of moles, the mass given is equal to 54 and the molar mass of water, that is H2O, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So here is total molecules, 3 moles of water is present. So from here we can determine that which is solute and which is solvent. Means solute which is present in less amount and solvent present in more amount. Here 2 moles of HCl is present and 3 moles of water is present. So we can say that water is solvent and HCl is solute. Now we are moving towards concentration terms, weight by weight percent. Firstly, we should know what is the mean of weight by weight percent. If it is given 7% HCl solution, 7% HCl solution. So what is the mean of this 7% HCl solution? If it is written as 7% weight by weight, So what is the mean of it? So its mean is 7 gram HCl is present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. 7% HCl solution means 7 gram of HCl is present in 100 gram of solution. And finally we can calculate the formula. We can know the formula of weight by weight percent, which is weight by weight percent is equal to mass of solute solution into 100. So by this formula we can calculate weight by weight percent. So here's a question. The question is 20 gram of glucose is dissolved in 180 gram of water. 28 gram of glucose, 20 gram of glucose is present in 180 gram of water. Find weight by weight percentage. So by this formula we can calculate weight by weight percent, and it is very simple. The solution is weight by weight percent means mass of solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution. So mass of solute is 20 gram upon mass of solution we have to put, and here is only water is given. So finally when we make solution can be made by dissolving glucose into water. So total gram of water solution is 180 plus 20, because it is only solvent, and we have to put the value of solution, mass of solution. So 180 plus 20 is equal to 200 into 100. 20 upon 200. So the finally solution is 20%. Weight by weight percent is equal to 20%. Answer. You can note down this question. And now we are moving towards next question. Next question is 5 gram NaCl is present in 60 ml of solution. Find weight by weight percent if density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml. We can find out the weight by weight percent by the formula. Weight by weight percent by the formula mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. But here is given 60 ml of solution. Mass of solution is not given. Here volume of solution is given. So, and density is also given. So finally, firstly we have to convert volume of solution into mass of solution. By the formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. By this formula we can calculate mass of solution, because volume of solution is given in this question, and it is said that find out the weight by weight percent. So firstly we should find out volume of mass of solution by the density and volume of solution. The density is 1.2 gram per ml, and mass we have to find out, and the volume of solution is 60 ml. So finally the mass is equal to 1.2 into 60 72 gram. The mass of solution is 72 gram, and the volume was 60 ml of solution. So from this mass we can find out the weight by weight percent, and I am going to solve. Weight by weight percent is equal to mass of solute, and the mass of solute is given, which is 5 gram, upon mass of solution, and mass of solution here it is 72 gram into 5. Yeah. The real question was 6 gram of NaCl. And finally 12 4 ja 90, 12 96, 8.3. weight by weight percent is equal to 8.3%, and here it is the answer of this question. Okay, now you can note down this question with the answer. And now we are moving towards our next concentration terms, which is weight by volume percent. %5 sugar solution. So what is the mean of this 5% sugar solution? And here it is written weight by volume. So the mean of it, 5 gram of sugar is present in 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution. So finally we can find out the formula. Weight by volume percent is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. And one more concentration term is volume by volume percent. If it is given 5% NaCl aqueous solution, volume by volume percent. So what is the mean of it? Its mean is alcohol solution. Alcohol solution weight by volume percent, then it means 5 ml alcohol is present in 100 ml of solution. And we can calculate the formula. Volume of solution, volume of solute upon volume of solution to 100. So by these three and one more formula, density is equal to mass upon volume of solution. By these four formulas we can calculate concentration of the solution, and we can switch weight by weight percent to volume by volume percent, and volume by volume percent to weight by volume percent, and weight by volume percent to again weight by weight percent with the help of these four formulas. Now I am going to solve some questions which will clear your doubt. The question is, by this question your all doubt will be clear. The question is 5% sugar solution weight by volume percent. Find out weight by weight percent. So firstly we have to use the concept, that is 5% sugar solution weight by volume means 5 gram of sugar is present in 100 ml of solution, and we have to find out weight by weight percent, and the formula of weight by weight percent, mass of solute upon mass of solution. So we should know that what is mass of solution, and here it is volume of solution is given. So firstly we have to calculate mass of solution with the help of density is equal to mass upon volume, and the density of solution is, here it is given, D is equal to 1.25 gram per ml. So by this information we can calculate the density is equal to mass upon volume. D equal to 1.25 is equal to mass we have to calculate, and volume of solution is 100. So mass is equal to 1.25 into 100. Mass of solution is equal to 125 gram. Now we have the mass of solution, and also we have mass of solute. So by these two information we can find out the weight by weight percent, that is weight by weight percent is equal to mass of weight by weight percent is equal to mass of solute, which is 5 gram sugar, and mass of solution which is 125 gram into 100. The final answer is 4%. So we can understand that if 5% sugar weight by volume percent is given, and question is asked that find out weight by weight percent, so weight by weight percent will be 4%. This is the answer of this question. Thank you very much.